Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your device runs the latest iOS and that Siri is enabled. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode and open Settings. Tap Siri and search to access voice options. This is where Apple stores voice and language choices. You're beginning the change now, so follow each screen prompt. Make sure to keep your device on a stable connection and charged. Interrupted updates, you'll select Siri voice and pick an accent and gender that fits your goal. Tap each voice to preview how it sounds. This helps you compare tone and pacing. Once you pick one, press download if the voice isn't already local. The device pulls a larger high-quality file. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and you have sufficient storage, because higher quality voices are bigger. If you want consistent results, test in a quiet room so the preview matches real use. You finish by testing Hey Siri with 3 phrases. Call a contact, set a timer, and ask for the time. This confirms the voice is active. If the new voice doesn't appear, restart the device to force the system to reload Siri assets and make sure the downloaded file completed. If issues persist, toggle Siri off and on, then re-download the voice. As a last resort, reset Siri settings. This sequence resolves most problems without erasing your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.